Today I'm going to share with you how you can add audio or music, background music, to Final Cut Pro. It is super easy and there's two ways you can do it. The first way is go down here to where you recently downloaded your audio file and just drag it onto your timeline like so. And you can see here that the music is on the timeline. The second way is to click on the music MP3 file. Then the music app will pop up, the iTunes app. And from there you just need to close down Final Cut Pro, reopen it, and go up here from your timeline over here to the iTunes icon and the photo icon, and just go to music, and then your beat or your audio clip will be in here, and then you can just drag it out like so. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!